Chitchat English.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have a big family.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Maria.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, I enjoy flying.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have been to France.
How often do you travel?
I travel twice a year.
Do you prefer traveling by train or by bus?
I prefer traveling by train.
Do you like using computers?
Yes, I use my computer every day.
Do you play games on your phone?
Yes, I play games sometimes.
Do you like watching videos online?
Yes, I watch videos on YouTube.
Do you use a tablet?
Yes, I have an iPad.
Do you have a smart TV?
Yes, I do.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
Do you like baking?
Yes, I love baking cakes.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is the Italian one downtown.
Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art galleries. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I love dancing.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I enjoy hiking in the mountains.
Do you like going to museums?
Yes, I find museums very interesting.
Do you enjoy concerts?
Yes, I love live music.
What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is jazz.
Do you like theater?
Yes, I enjoy watching plays.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I sing in a choir.
Do you celebrate Christmas?
Yes, we celebrate Christmas with a big family dinner.
Do you like giving gifts?
Yes, I enjoy giving gifts to my loved ones.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I love surprises.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I enjoy the sound of rain.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes, I believe in luck.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I like solving puzzles.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
What's your address?
My address is 123 Main Street.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, my nickname is Johnny.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on April 5th.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave for work at 8 a.m.
What do you do after work?
I usually go to the gym.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 7 p.m.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV after dinner.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Do you often visit friends?
Yes, I visit friends every weekend.
Do you attend any classes?
Yes, I attend a cooking class.
Do you volunteer anywhere?
Yes, I volunteer at a local shelter.
What's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
It's going to rain tomorrow.
Do you like cold weather?
No, I prefer cold weather.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
Do you use credit cards?
Yes, I use credit cards for most purchases.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it's very convenient.
How much did you spend?
I spent $50.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, I eat fast food occasionally.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich for lunch.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
Do you feel well?
Yes, I feel fine.
Do you visit the doctor often?
No, only for checkups.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat a balanced diet.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a software engineer.
Where do you work?
I work at a tech company.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job.
What are you studying?
I'm studying business management.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a university student.
Where have you traveled?
I have traveled to Japan and France.
Do you commute to work?
Yes, I take the train to work.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
My favorite sport to watch is basketball.
Do you have a favorite team?
Yes, my favorite team is the Lakers.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect stamps.
Do you clean your house often?
Yes, I clean my house every weekend.
Do you do your own laundry?
Yes, I do my laundry every Saturday.
Do you do the grocery shopping?
Yes, I do it every Sunday.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I love planting flowers.
Are you on Facebook?
Yes, I use Facebook every day.
Do you use Instagram?
Yes, I like sharing photos on Instagram.
Do you have a Twitter account?
No, I don't use Twitter.
Do you prefer laptops or desktops?
I prefer laptops.
Do you use any messaging apps?
Yes, I use WhatsApp.
Do you enjoy studying?
Yes, I like learning new things.
Do you have a favorite subject?
Yes, my favorite subject is history.
Do you take online classes?
Yes, I take online courses for my degree.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read books every night.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, I visit the library every week.
Do you get enough sleep?
Yes, I sleep 8 hours a night.
Do you eat fruits and vegetables?
Yes, I eat them every day.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink 8 glasses of water a day.
Do you meditate?
No, I don't meditate every morning.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I have a valid passport.
Do you enjoy fashion?
Yes, I love following the latest trends.
Do you prefer shopping alone or with friends?
I prefer shopping with friends.
Do you follow any fashion bloggers?
Yes, I follow several fashion influencers on Instagram.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend's name is Sarah.
Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, I visit my family every weekend.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have one daughter.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I enjoy being surprised.
Do you follow any TV series?
Yes, I'm currently watching a crime thriller series.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love swimming and sunbathing.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.